Right, no.
I'm Hamza, this is my sexy bike chick. Mafia, everything, right? Come on. Okay, let's run this through. What we got here is we got fucking motorbike. We got Mafia hub. Don't forget the dice. So Mafia dice cap. We got Mafia rim.
Mafia nut bolts and axles.
Oh yeah, true. Mafia seat. Mafia frame, right? Yeah, Mafia frame. We've got, trying it up here, we've got the Mafia stem, we've got Mafia handlebars, we've got, wait, hold on, what are these cranks? Mafia cranks, we've got Mafia pedals, I think we've got a 25 tooth Mafia spring,
Mafia chain.
we've got Mafia chain as well, can't forget about the chain, we've got some
Mafia brakes.
How many motorbikes are there today? We got some Mafia brakes.
Oh man.
Turn this around. What else? Mafia forks.
Yep.
Mafia front hub. I don't think it's sealed though, but still it's okay. Got Mafia rim. Yeah, Mafia rim.
Even the Mafia spokes.
Mafia spokes, definitely.
Mafia inner tube.
Mafia inner tubes. What tyres are these? Mafia tyres.
Oh.
And did
Mafia
you say what?
brake
Did you say
cable.
what? Oh yeah, Mafia brake cable.
Mafia tyres.
They're Mafia tyres, what?
Nah, the Innova.
Alright, over then.
Bend over tyres.
Bend overs.
That's gonna be a funny
What else?
picture.
Mafia rider.
Wait, hold it.
What is that?
Mafia grip.
Yes.
Oh.
Did you say what stem that was?
Mafia.
Mafia stem.
Oh, even this is Mafia.
Yeah, what about the amateur sticky?
Sticky.
Even if-
yeah, and just in case no one didn't know, Mafia did a collab with Amity, or Amity did a collab with Mafia, one of the two. But yeah, so yeah, that's it. This is the Mafia click to bike check. What would you rate this?
Everyone comment underneath onto the comment list and comment what you rate it.
For a beginner bike, that's probably that's up to 7. I'll give it a 7 for a beginner bike. So 7 out of 10. It's pretty good. It's pretty sturdy. It's light. I think it's about 24 pounds.
Orange like my shoes.
It's orange like these shoes you get.
James. Oh look, it's Hamza. Wait, let's read your helmet.
What the fuck are you doing? The bike check is here. No, the
I know. I was just reading this. Oh
Um,
man, it's got 4 minutes left.
yeah, I think that's it. I think that's all there is to say.
That's it.
Got on braking.
Why are you riding his bike? It should be him.
And some people call it ganja.